Hi all. When the British Army introduced the 1937 pattern webbing equipment, they took the opportunity to replace the old D-shaped mess tin set that had been in use for over 100 years with something more suitable for modern warfare. They adopted a rectangular two-piece aluminium mess tin set, aluminium being lighter and more hygienic than the tin steel used up to this point, and a better heat conductor, allowing food to be heated quicker. Sadly, the outbreak of war put huge strains on the nation's raw materials reserves, and aluminium was one of more use in making aircraft than mess tins. Because of this, a new mild steel rectangular mess tin was developed. The two tins were made of mild steel and a tinned coating to prevent the rust. This example is in really nice condition, although the tinned on the inside of them is not very nice, but on the bottom of this one you can still see it's in fairly good condition, same as the inside of the bigger one. Again, you can still see the tinned finish, and then the bottom where it's dull. The maker's markings, it's dated 1941 and it's MMS. And the same again on this small one, it's matching, and you've got the broad arrow there. Thanks for watching.